Alright, this is a video on a RAV4 tire pressure sensor seal leak. It's leaking around the valve where it meets around the rim. So that means the valve has to come out. So I'm going to break the tire off the bead, old school way, this way. There you go. Alright, I'm going to move it around, get to the other side. I want to take that valve off. Alright. Old school, buddy. Old school. Backyard. Alright, so once we popped it open, I am going to get to this valve right here. See it? I am going to stick a piece of wood in there to lower this tire so I can get to it. And that's a 11mm nut. That'll take that piece off. Alright, hold on. Alright, so we're going to remove this little piece here. Block of wood here. So it's 11mm. Going to spin it off. First piece is the cap. This is going to come out. It's a washer there. Gotta get a little screwdriver in there. Hold on.